ne kaimuch komach en betutab raini committee nebo bunge nebo boror tinyegei ngalekab mbarenik. Land Commission kibagengeit noton ko commission nebo mbarenik en emoni konem title deed nebo COMESA grounds koityi kibagengeit anan koityi KICC. Niton ko committee ne kaimuch kondochi membayat nebo Pokot South David Kosing ne kaimuch kosome keger kele kakiboisien eng chokchinet kasarta nemach komukokse ak igoito namunet anan paunotet nebo mbaret ak kicher kartasisiek tugul chebo namunetab mbaranotok ne kimite kibagengeit noton nebo COMESA grounds ak kigoito agoi kibagengeit nebo KICC.
Or kinship relationship with the Garden Square, either business or kinship, is been mentioned adversely. Being director of legal in NLC, that is an office that cannot be assumed that we should not address now, even if the committee agrees with you for 1 month or less. The work that you're gonna do, Madam CS, I used to be in government as a CEO before.
We are in agreement that this is public land. What we are not in agreement for now, and having said that, that is public land, so the issue of Garden Square or a personal interest or a relative does not and will not bar me.
Kaimuch kotiakta eng betutab raini rubeiwotab President